Hey guys. All right, so now it's time to start on our portfolio. Your portfolio is going to be an electronic portfolio to where you guys are going to be able to house all the projects that you guys have worked on so far. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on that. So first we'll go ahead and go up to start. My Windows, I have Windows 7, you are working in Windows 10, so it looks slightly different. However, the awesome thing about 10 is that you guys can select the Windows button down here and you'll see PowerPoint 2016 up in this corner somewhere around this neighborhood. Here's mine. So we'll go ahead and open it. We'll go ahead and start with a blank slide, your title slide. And the title should be your name, first and last name, and then whatever you want to title your work. Graphic arts, graphic design, okay? So Randy Urias's graphics, okay? Whatever you guys would like to title, all right? Over here, I can select a new slide. I'm going to go ahead and title content. Now I have two slides. I can also go up and change the layout of any slide that I want at any time. Okay, so go ahead and play. You guys are going to want to use something that allows you some good amount of space. Okay, so the title of content does well, but you're going to need to be able to add pictures and you're going to need to add text. All right, so this first one, here I have the title and the content slide. Now what I would like you guys to do, let's go ahead and navigate back to Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you guys how to take a snippet. Now there's a lot of ways, but I would like you guys to get used to using the snipping tool. All right, it's just another really cool little app, and it works wonders. All right, so we're going to go over here, and here's my snipping tool. If you do not see your snipping tool, just go into search, type in SN, and it should pop up. If it is not in your taskbar already, I would highly advise you guys to right click on it and pin it to your taskbar. Mine says unpin because I've already have it pinned. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and get started with it. First I'm going to select it. Now notice how my screen went into like isolation mode, okay? And my bar is up here. If this is in your way, just move it, okay? Now it's just simply clicking and dragging a box around everything that you want to include. All right, so here we go. Now, yes, I can go save it. I can go file. I can do a save as and save it. If you don't really need to save it other than an image, I can just go ahead and right click and copy it. Go to my PowerPoint, right click, and paste it in. Okay. In PowerPoint, I can size things. I can rotate them. All right, so there's a lot of things that you can do in PowerPoint. Okay, but remember, we also need to add text. Okay, we have 3 questions, and for this assignment, please go to eChalk under the resources box and look for the ePortfolio rubric. That will contain everything that you need to do as far as answering the questions. Okay, but in order to add a text box in here, we just need to go to Insert, Text Box, and create a text box. And now we can type, okay? But we're not done there. For a level 3 on this assignment, guys, I want you to select a very nice design. I would also like you guys to include transitions and animations. And I'll go ahead and do one for you. So I'll select this slide. Notice that my transition button is clicked and they are all highlighted. If I do not have a slide selected, notice how they go blank, okay? So you got to have a slide, and then you can select, okay? So we'll go ahead and do, we'll do a fall over, something real simple. We'll do a flash, uncover. Notice how they change every time I select, okay? Random bars, okay? Now I'm going to go to this slide. Again, I'm going to hit this drop down arrow. Here I have a whole slew of things I can choose from, okay? So let's go to dissolve. Dissolve is a pretty cool one, okay? And it comes in like this. Now animations, I'm going to select animation, and I'm going to go ahead and select the picture. You can add animations to just about anything, okay? You can add it to the title. Just pay attention to how long the animation takes, okay? So the last thing you want to do is write something that's 2 or 3 sentences and do something that's like a single fly-in or drop-in letter type thing. All right, that would take forever. So with this picture selected, I'm just going to go ahead and go to, where is Swivel? Swivel. I like Swivel. It's a pretty cool one. All right, brings it in. But there's a ton in here, okay? A ton that you can use. Check them all out. Pretty cool. And then this is what it looks like when you have it played. If you go into slide mode, here's my bars. Click. Here it comes. And done. Okay. So you guys are going to add all of the projects that we're doing in here. Give it a title. Give every slide a transition. Every slide a animation. All right. And then for level 4 stuff, if you guys can figure out how to put sound, how to change delays and durations of things, that would be pretty cool. All right. Well, good luck making your ePortfolio. I hope you guys have a good time in the class. Good luck. Peace out.